What's up, boys? Today I finally took a winning trade for once. Here was a trade. Here's where I got in. I got filled like right up here. Awful fill. Um, that was a trade for today. I ended up winning, obviously, and I'll tell you guys why I got this. But for starters, let's get rid of all this stuff on my screen and go back to how this started. This is going to be a quick little recap. I got a bunch of shit today that I got to do, so there's nothing I really want to talk about that much. Because it's super simple. If you guys did not win today, what are you doing? Anyways, this is what NQ looked like, or this is what ES looked like. I took the winning trade on NQ. ES took out London session highs right at market open. Or right before market open, sorry. So then, NQ, what did it do? It took out this 15-minute liquidity right here, this 15-minute as well, and it just had to simply follow two London session highs. Pretty self-explanatory, pretty simple. So what did I do? I waited for a 5-minute retrace. What do we get right here? We get this 5-minute down candle. I'm still waiting for that retrace. What do we get? This 5-minute fair value gap right here. Cool. What do I need? All I need is 1 minute to break structure. What do I get right here? This inverse fair value gap gets respected or gets broken. What do? I enter right there. Boom, enter right here. I put stops below this fair value gap as well because I saw this 1 minute fair value gap and I wasn't willing to risk it. And what did I simply target? I just targeted London session highs right up here. Nothing I would have done differently. We had Asia session highs right here. We had equilibrium right here. Or not equilibrium. We had Fibonacci extension, and this was my last take profit. I ended up making, let's look at how much I made today. Will I look? What did I make? Cool. So I made $874 today. So I'm still a little bit negative from yesterday because I over risked yesterday. And I did not risk heavy today because we have non-farm tomorrow. So I just made 850. And this isn't a big trade at all. But yeah, here's the entry. Literally inverse fair value gap. This 5-minute fair value gap getting respected. As you can see, look at this. This 5-minute was so obvious for getting respected. Look at price literally to a T, to a couple of ticks, completed this fair value gap and respected it. If it disrespected it, guess what would have happened? It probably would have went down a little bit further and stopped everyone else who got in early. Or whatever happens. This was my trade. This is what it looked like right when I entered. I got an awful fill. I got filled at like 90. So I got filled right there from this candle. And then, what did I do? Take profit 1, take profit 2, and then we still have a runner for take profit 3, completing me for a 1.84 risk to reward trade. And then I was out completely when this happened, and then look what happened. Price shit, stopped everyone out at break even, went up higher, kept shitting. Simple. Nothing I would have changed. Not even going to talk about ES because ES you shouldn't have traded it at all because ES already took out London and Asia. This was a daily high. I could just say daily right here. So it took out the daily high. So in turn, what did I do? I was waiting for, this is a daily high as well because it's an Asia high. So I was waiting for this daily high to get taken out too on NASDAQ. Boom. First TP, 1.29, 1.38, and then a bigger one, 1.85 risk to reward. Nothing I would have changed, like I said. Perfect entry, perfect execution, perfect, followed all my confluences, and overall, I'm super happy with this trade today. Um, I'm ending the week a little bit at break even. I think I'm like $100 short from break even from yesterday because I over leveraged yesterday. So, you know what? There's nothing I can do about that. Definitely, or not definitely, probably not going to trade tomorrow because of non-farm payroll. So yeah, this is the end of the week, and I'm not too upset about it. We got a 3-day weekend because I'm not doing shit on Friday, and then yeah, that's all I got. Super simple. There's nothing much for me to talk about besides fucking easy trade. That's it. Hopefully you guys caught this as well. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Peace.